So since I didn't get the tutorial of doing this hairstyle, I got snippets. So this client, she has a shaved back, and we're doing the rubber band hairstyle with crochet in the back. And this is the rubber band part. I'm going to show y'all a close-up so y'all see I did twist for the rubber band because I wanted to last, okay? I didn't want to have to put out a bunch of product and then I braided, and now I'm about to braid it down in the back. I'm going to do a beehive in the back because I want it to lay a certain way. I want that back to be where if she raise it up, you know, it's like the invisible method. And I'm going to be tucking all those braids you seen sticking out into this braid foundation. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, let me know if you like this hairstyle. And I'm about to show you guys how the foundation looks in the back. Also, the type of crochet hair she used, I believe it was a number 4 deep twist or beach curl. Either way, both hair is really cute. It's a shake and go. So you see the back, you see these. You see, I made sure it's all tucked away. And this is how it's looking at the top. And yeah, of course, we're going to do them baby hairs later. But anyway, now you about to see me crochet it in. And I'm doing the invisible method. This hairstyle can last a month. As long as you're putting in a high ponytail and wrapping a scarf around it, then releasing it. Don't comb that hair. But y'all about to see the invisibleness. So if she raise it up, you ain't going to be able to see all them knots and things. Also, make sure you wear a shower cap and do not comb this hair. But you can snip it and make sure it stay together. And you see, I'm just showing you I'm almost done. I haven't done that last row yet. That's going to cover up all that stuff. And then here's the finished product. She liked it nice and full. It's really cute. You see, I even did the invisible method at the top. You're not going to be able to see where them knots is. If you're not doing crochet like this, I don't know what you're doing. You see? No knots, no shots, no nothing. But you see, it's giving. It's giving all what it needed to give. You see them edges is done. Okay? You see? Motion of the ocean, okay? And if your client ain't acting like this once you get done with their hair, then you ain't do your job. You did not do your job at all. See, she geek. She ready to go party. And undercut where? You can't see that undercut. Where? Where? And this how full she wanted. Them curls gonna make love, and then it's gonna be back to what it need to looking natural. Now y'all go ahead and follow me and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.